Hi everyone, I'm April. This is Dakota Pastels. We're here at the warehouse and I'm going to show you guys around. Let's come on inside. Now here at Dakota, we obviously focus on pastels. That's what you guys are here for, but we do have a little space up front where we cover a few other supplies. Jackson. Hey, baby. This is Jackson, one of our two office greeters. And our day starts here in the office. This is where we collect all of the orders. We do all of our organizing and planning every day. And I'm going to take you back into the candy store here. Hey, Craig, why don't you come on up? Everyone, this is Craig Lemley. He's the owner and president of Dakota Pastels.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Dakota Pastels. I'm glad you're on this tour with April. She's going to show you the center of the pastel world.
Pastel, what's one of your favorite things about the pastel medium?
The vibrancy of the color and just the vastness of the color range that's available out there. And the fact that a lot of the pastel makers are small companies, they're nice to deal with. So it makes for a unique business. So enjoy the tour.
Cool, well, thank you.
Sure.
Alrighty, let's come on around. I'm going to show you how we get through our day. We're going to start down here with pastels. I've got Terry Ludwig on the wall here, and next to it we've got some Blue Earth. That's our house brand with some sets. I'll show you the open stock of those a little bit. We have Rembrandt and Art Spectrum here, and pan pastels. This whole wall is pretty much accessories. So you've got your tapes, your primers, your fixatives, your composition guides and other planning things are there. And then we come down a little further, books here. And then we've got our harder pastels, Cretacolor, New Pastel is here. And we start getting into pencils. This brand here is Caran d'Ache. They're kind of a fun one because they do a hard pastel and a matching line of pencils. So kind of a neat thing there. I think there's 84 colors. Let's keep on coming down. Stabilo, Carbothello pencils, Gioconda, Conti, and then we've got a couple of glassine and gatorboard kind of studio supplies. And around the corner here, we get into some of our pastel organization stuff, our storage boxes, pochade boxes there, Gorilla products and easel stuff is here. And here we've got some more pastels. Blocks Pastels is this one, nice big stick. These guys were available for a long time and then they went away for a little bit, had a little bit of a rebrand, facelift, and now they're back. A few more pastel pencils, Derwent, Bronzeal, Faber-Castell, and then over here we get into Diane Townsend, soft form, and great big Terragest sticks or tirages, you can say either way. Great American is here, and I've got this little baby drawer here with Richardson underpainting blocks, another kind of unique big stick. Richardson hand rolled is the their kind of major product. These are kind of a petite stick with a whole ton of different sets available. Really nice variety there, which is kind of fun. And they've got this really fun, great big wall of color for their open stock. Coming down here, I'm going to show you Sennelier and Unison a little bit. These are kind of fun because they do a standard full-length stick as well as these great big jumbo sticks. So you can see this is a big Sennelier compared to one of their regular sticks. So kind of fun if you have a big project you want to do or you want to get really gestural and just use up a whole bunch of your favorite color. That's what those are there for. And Unison does the same thing. They've got these great big sticks here compared to, that's about the size of their small kind of regular sticks. Kind of fun. And then we've got Blue Earth single sticks here in this case. We've got a whole video where we talk about this brand and what makes them kind of cool and unique. They have a color theory concept that dominates the whole brand, so it makes them kind of special in that way. Another small maker, US company. We're gonna come around here, take a look at, this is our packing station, just one side of it here. Those are some orders that have been carefully picked and are waiting to be packed and shipped out. And we've got Schminke here from Germany. And coming down the row to Mount Vision, another US company. All pastel brands have some unique thing that kind of makes them stand out, makes them special, whether that's something about their size or their softness or different colors they do. Maybe they kind of do a really good job with certain types of colors. So it's worth having a really wide variety out there. This is Giro from France. These guys just had their 240th anniversary, I believe. They came out with a little anniversary set to celebrate that. And we're gonna come down here. We've got a couple more pastel brands, Art Spectrum, Extra Soft Squares. And these are the sets for the blocks pastels. These are nice wooden sets. And we're gonna look at papers and boards just a little bit. As we come around the horn here, pastel papers, like pastels, they all have some unique thing about them, something about their surface or the colors they make, or some other unique thing that just makes them suitable for different types of projects. This is a little bit of a roadmap to show you some of the different colors that are available. And we've got just about everything. We've got velour, we've got Art Spectrum Color Fix, 20 different colors that they make. UArt is this whole wall over here. And we've got La Carte paper, Pastel Premier in 5 colors. And this is the new Luxe Archival. That's going to be seeing some more sizes come out soon. Rolls are coming out shortly. We've got some boards, and we've got a whole video where we talk to you about the different boards that we produce. This is Pastel Premier paper on an archival mat board. We make these here in-house. And this is more of our packing area here. We use a lot of recycled materials as much as possible, whether that's stuffing and dunnage, and especially the manufacturer's boxes. So we reuse these as they come in shipments that have the foam in them to help cradle the pastels. And we do a really, really careful job to make sure that everything is packed really snugly and securely. We know exactly how fragile these things are, so we want to make sure that they get to you in great shape. Fortunately, we rarely have issues with shipments, but if you ever have a problem, obviously, please just reach out. I'm more than happy to help you guys make it right. We're going to come down and look at a couple of production things. Down here we do paper cutting. We've got our paper samplers, and we make samples of all of those in kind of bite sizes. And then in this room we make pastel color charts. And these are kind of cool because we get to have full sets on hand of all the different pastels that we do a color chart for, which is most of the brands. This here on the table is Sennelier that's being worked on. And it's really nice because we get to take swatches of the real pastel so you can see the actual colors. And if you have a favorite pastel brand that you're kind of collecting, or if you're kind of wanting to invest in planning and strategizing, that's a really nice way to do that, because printed and online swatches are just never quite as perfect as being able to see the real colors in person. So that's what those are there for. Here is a table with some blue earth set out. And again, we've got another video where we talk to you all about how those work. And finally here at the end of the room, we've got a demo station where when you come and visit, you can try out all the different brands, you can try out some different paper types, look at the boxes and easels, and have all your questions answered. And I totally give you guys an open invitation to come on out anytime you have a chance to. It's super fun. We welcome you to come and go exploring and talk to us about what you're working on. We'll help you find colors and do all that good stuff. So I hope that's been an enjoyable little peek at our day-to-day here at Dakota Pastels. Thank you so much for joining us, and happy painting.